Hey everyone, it's Butt, and I'm back with another stuff. Today is Friday, November 19th, and it's the morning time. It's like 5:50 a.m. Central Time, and I hope you guys are doing well, guys. We made it to Friday. Let's go. Let's grind through this very last day of the work week, guys, and let's enjoy some weekend, guys. We have earned it. We deserve it, and we are coming off of an insane Veve week, so this weekend is just going to be just so easy to relax. Our minds are going to be at ease, and I hope you guys are excited. There's so much I got to talk to you guys about. First and foremost, let's just say one thing right off the bat. Shout out to the Gale. I haven't shouted out the Gale in a while. I always check out the Gale. I hope you guys are either coming from or going to the Gale. If you guys are checking out this video, make sure you go check him out. That's my homie. Um, I just want everybody to know there's a good chance that next year, I have a feeling that me and the Gale and Cavell can meet up really easy. I have a feeling that we can literally get together in like a half hour. So I'm just throwing that out. I'm just throwing that out there. I'm just throwing that out there. I'm in Milwaukee. Well, just outside. But anyways, guys, I have so much to talk to you guys today about. We've got a drop coming up today, guys. So we're going to talk about that really quick. Just refresher, guys. Just a quick refresher. Just a tiny, tiny quick refresher. We're going to talk about the spreadsheet, Reddit Omi price, and I went ahead and I threw it back to some OG times. I wrote down some NFTs. If anybody has been with me for a long time, you'll know that I used to write down the NFTs and talk about them. So that's what I did today. I kind of wanted to take it back to the olden days and kind of go back to my roots, so to speak. So I'm so excited, guys. Let's go over some normal stuff. With that being said, I mean it's just Friday, guys. Let's go. I mean today is the day, right? So let's pop into the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet will be linked in the description down below. If you want to know the price of any Veve NFTs, you're going to want to go to the link in the description down below. You're looking for column H on the market prices tab, as well as column I on the digital comics tab. Guys, I went ahead and switched up the market prices tab, and I would love to get your guys' opinion about the trend line that was added, okay? This was a this was a combined effort between me and one of the community members, and I honestly love it. I kind of think of my spreadsheet as kind of like an open source thing. If you guys want changes, I mean, I'm open to it. I'm receptive. So let's talk about that really quick. One of the homies, Tom Drake, gave me this formula. Shout out to our homie, Tom Drake. I went ahead and I adjusted your formula just a hair to include the price. I followed your steps, but it didn't include the most recent price, so I adjusted your formula just a hair so I can get it to include H, which I do have on there now. Shout out to our homie Tom Drake. I just want you to know I'm like 1000% self-taught when it comes to anything as far as Google Docs or Excel. I have no formal training at all. This is high-level stuff. I don't know how, like what formulas you use. I mean, like I can see it. Obviously, you use Sparkline, Transpose. I know what some of those do, but like, man, shout out to our homie Tom Drake. That looks great. I would love to know from the community down below. Is this a great thing to have on the market prices tab? I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments down below. What are you guys' thoughts about the trend line? I went ahead and I just popped off the supply numbers for now. I think we're going to get that re-added back on there. The thing is, all the supply numbers were completely broken because the app changed how they calculated the supplies. So it was all for naught. So there's just like a lot of data that needed to be replaced. We'll maybe get it added back at some point, but I like the trend line for now, guys, and I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are down in the comments down below, okay? Um, with that being said, I'll probably get some new portfolio calculators added on here, of course. I will get to that at some point once I get that kind of figured out. But wow, huge shout out to Tom. Absolute banger. Love it, love it, love it. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. And it looks great, I think. And I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are down below. All right, so here's what I got. Let's just quickly talk about the drop. Okay, just a really quick refresher. Today is a drop. It's a great comic, in my opinion. We have 30,000 editions, which means that this is 3 times as common as the Hitmonkey comic. So just keep that in mind, guys. So these are going to sell out very quickly still. Don't get any kind of wrong ideas. These are going to sell out in seconds. And but they are a little bit more common than the hit monkeys, and for that reason, the hit monkey common is at like 60. I would not necessarily suspect this common to drop for that price. Just wanted to give you guys a quick refresher about the drop that is coming up today at 10 a.m. Central Time. Guys, be ready for that drop. It's on a random day of Friday, not the usual drop day. And so I wanted to mention that. Now let's pop back to the spreadsheet and let's talk about the NFTs that I wrote down. I almost forgot to talk about them. Let's talk about the NFTs that I wrote down. First and foremost, the first NFT I wanted to talk about is going to be the ultra rare Harley Quinn here, for the new Harley Quinn series here. So this is for the new Harley Quinn Black, White, and Red series. This is the Harley Quinn with the bomb, and it's on the spreadsheet at 620. This is maybe the biggest mover of the day. This thing is going for $850, guys, and wow, I love this NFT. I mean, it's just beautiful, right? I love it. I love the human form, and I love that piece's depiction of it. And so, yeah, so moving on. We've got Doctor Doom from the Mighty Marvel series, guys. We got Doom on the spreadsheet at, hold on, I got to scroll down for a while to find it. Let's see. I'm sorry, here it is. Doctor Doom's on the spreadsheet at 535. It's going for 570. Now, I need you guys to know that that's a big move for a single day, in my opinion. So that's one that I'm going to shout out. Like, that's my take on it. Next, we've got Superman. It's on the spreadsheet at $1,350. Currently going for $1,424. That's a $75 move. And I recorded these prices yesterday, guys. Next up, we've got Captain Carter. Captain Carter. It's on the spreadsheet at 225. This is maybe the next most notable NFT to shout out. This thing is going for $318. That's a substantial move to the upside. That's what, like $63. That's insane. And next, we could talk about the common. We could talk about the rare Spider-Man. We're just going to talk about the common. The common Spider-Man's on the spreadsheet at $199. It's going for $224, and that's a pretty strong movement there. That's $25 move for an NFT that only costs $200. That's over 20. That's over 10%. So I've got to shout that out, guys. Let's go. Okay, next. We're going to shout out some Reddits as usual. Shout out Holy Roman Emperor. Shout out ZORC. Shout out Delicious Line, Crypto Hercules, TSC Danny, Macabre, FRX Trader, El Macho, Reckless Soul. Shout out to Elegant Measurement, LBS Power Group, Cycling, Zero Marvel, D Lee, Passivation. We've got Abel Jaguar, Killian. We've got Acrobatic Pool. We've got Crypto Culture Info. We've got Universal Folder. We've got OK Football. And last but not least, we're going to shout out our homie here, Jesse Go Business. And last but not least, we do have Omi's price trading at 0.007243. Omi can be your homie. I'm not going to be your daddy. And nothing in this video is financial advice, and you guys already know that. Woo! Let's go, guys. Man, the app feels absolutely fantastic. I was so excited to just make this video today and just talk about all this stuff, man. I was so excited. I just want you guys to know I'm starting to get very fired up, and I hope you guys are ready for some crazy stuff on the Veve app. I'm hoping we get some absolutely crazy announcements soon, and I'm hoping that we continue to grow because it feels like we really are kind of growing at a really good pace right now, and it feels really good. And everybody who's been diamond handing or just been involved in this for a long time, congrats to everybody out there. Honestly, congrats to anybody who even joined late, right? You're still like ahead of the curve. So just shout out to everybody out there. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.